How to create a bundled product by adding two products into one awesome product and selling it on Amazon. How, where, when, all of those details. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment to this video, and also share this video with other like-minded people. And if you want to succeed and sell on Amazon in the Middle East, make sure that you reach out to our team on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. You'll also find the link in the description box of this video. Bundles, why are they so necessary and why are they a great way to sell products on Amazon? Number one, a bundle can make you different. You can have a great price for your bundle and you can sell more products on Amazon. And at the end of the day, that's exactly what every Amazon seller wants. Have you ever walked into a supermarket and saw a bundle where you buy one and get one free and it has enticed you to potentially buy the product? Well, that's a bundle. Or even maybe you walked into the supermarket and you saw a variety pack where you buy one product but you get 3 different flavors. That's also a way of bundling products. And by the way, bundles were not even invented by Amazon or e-commerce sellers. They are a standard way of selling products. As a matter of fact, bundling and value packs have been we have been able to trace them back to ancient times where merchants and marketplaces would bundle products together and sell them as a more valuable product. So there are a lot of things to think about when it comes to bundling, and there are a lot of ways to succeed if you want to bundle your product on Amazon. 2 main things to think about. First of all, a bundle can be providing something for free, meaning you have a main product that you are selling and you add something to it, such as you buy a mobile phone and you get a free case. Or number 2, it could be a set or a variety pack where people are more enticed to buy the whole set of products, such as buy a set of 3 pens versus buying 1 pen, where you're going to end up paying more if you buy 1 pen alone versus buying the full set. 3 main things also to think about when you are bundling. First of all, the bundle needs to be complementary. So again, think about the mobile phone. You're going to already want or need to buy a case with it. So if it comes with a case, then it's a complementary and it shows number 2, value. Because if the bundle is not valuable, then customers will potentially not pay for it and, they're not going to be enticed by your product. And number 3, it needs to have a good pricing strategy. Of course, your bundle needs to be priced more strategically or needs to be better priced versus if somebody was to buy the product alone. Now let's talk about the how. But before we talk about the how, just so that we are all on the same page, you need to know that a bundle needs to be sent as a bundle to the Amazon warehouse. You cannot send products separately to the Amazon warehouse in the UAE and request from the Amazon team to bundle the products together whenever a customer purchases the product. And here lies the how. When you want to bundle a product, you've got 3 main ways of bundling a product. 2 ways are going to be bundling the product at the source, and 1 way would be bundling the product locally or you do it yourself. If you want to bundle the products at the source, meaning your manufacturer, the easiest way would be to order all of the products from one manufacturer, asking them to bundle all of the products together in one package, put the barcode on the product, and you're ready to go. But option number 2 would be to bundle products from 2 separate manufacturers. You send one product to the other main manufacturer where they bundle the product together, put the barcode on the product, and then you're ready to go. The last option, which is honestly sometimes the most expensive because you are doing the bundling yourself or maybe with a third party locally, such as in the UAE, you can request this service to be done manually by someone locally in the UAE. However, this is not a service that is currently offered by Amazon. So it either has to be you bundling the products together, or it has to be a third party. And there are a lot of service providers that offer this service right here in the UAE or even in all of Amazon marketplaces. Wherever you find Amazon, you find service providers that can offer you this service. And finally, because you stuck around till the end, I want to give you this incredible information, which I'm sure you're going to find valuable. What is the most successful bundle or variety pack that was ever created? You guessed it. It's McDonald's. McDonald's value meal. Back in the early 1990s, McDonald's decided to create the value meal. And because of that, customers were really intrigued to buy a burger and get the fries and drink with it. McDonald's decided to create it because they saw a lot of people were feeling guilty and wanted to buy only the burger and didn't want to buy the additional appetizer and drink. So they suggested creating the value meal, and it is to date one of the most successful bundles out there. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.